Hey there, my health warriors over 50. Today, I want to talk about a healthy oil that millions of seniors trust, but could secretly be working against your body. You see, avocado oil has become the superstar of the heart-healthy world. People drizzle it on salads, cook with it at high heat, and even use it in morning smoothies. And in many ways, that's great. But here's the truth no one talks about. Nearly 92% of avocado oil products on store shelves today, especially in the US, are either mislabeled, mixed with cheaper oils, or partially rancid, according to a study from the University of California, Davis. And for seniors over 60, that can lead to inflammation, digestive trouble, blood pressure changes, or even medication interference. So today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 most dangerous mistakes older adults make with avocado oil and how to fix each one safely and simply. Stick with me until the end, because mistake number 5 is the one that surprises even my patients who have been cooking healthy for decades. All right, let's get started. Hi, I'm Dr. Raymond Hale. For over 30 years, I've helped older adults protect their heart, their brain, their joints, and their digestion through simple, science-based nutrition. And avocado oil can be a wonderful part of a senior-friendly diet, but only if used correctly. Because after 60, our digestion slows, our liver handles fats differently, and our medication lists get longer. That means a healthy food can backfire when used the wrong way. So let's break this down clearly, step by step. Picture this for a moment. It's a quiet morning. You're about to cook eggs, and you reach for that bottle of avocado oil sitting on your kitchen counter. The label says, cold-pressed, pure, heart-healthy. You drizzle a bit on the pan and think, my doctor said healthy fats are good for me. And you're absolutely right. But here's where things get tricky. Most seniors have no idea that the brand, the storage, the heat level, and even the timing determine whether avocado oil helps you or quietly harms you. So let me walk you through the 5 hidden traps older adults fall into. Mistake number 1, using the wrong kind of avocado oil. Most people assume all avocado oils are the same, but they're not. Studies show up to 82% of avocado oils sold in major supermarkets are mixed with soybean oil, canola oil, or corn oil. Even though the label says pure, these cheaper oils oxidize quickly, and oxidation leads to chemical compounds that trigger inflammation in older adults. Oxidized oils can raise LDL, irritate the stomach, and even cause brain fog. The fix: choose certified lab-tested brands with the words cold-pressed, unrefined, and extra virgin. Avoid anything in clear bottles. Light destroys oil quality quickly, especially in warm climates. Look for oils in dark glass bottles with a harvest date and a best buy date less than 12 months away. Takeaway: not all avocado oil is healthy. Choose the real stuff. Mistake number 2, cooking at extremely high heat. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, but that number is only true for refined avocado oil, not the cold-pressed or extra virgin kind that most seniors prefer. Here's what happens. When you cook with the wrong oil at temperatures above its limit, the oil breaks down, turns bitter, and produces inflammatory smoke. For people over 60, this can contribute to bloating, acid reflux, and sudden spikes or drops in blood pressure because of oxidized fats. The fix: extra virgin avocado oil, used for salad dressings or low-heat cooking. Refined avocado oil, okay for medium-high heat. Avoid heating above 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If it smells sharp or bitter, throw it out. Takeaway: don't burn your healthy fats. Mistake number 3, using avocado oil too close to medication time. Here's something almost no one realizes. Avocado oil is a high-fat food, and high-fat foods can slow down the absorption of certain medications by as much as 90 to 120 minutes, according to the Mayo Clinic. This especially affects seniors taking thyroid medication, blood pressure meds, statins, blood thinners, acid reflux medications, diabetes medications. This doesn't mean avocado oil is bad. It simply means timing matters. The fix. Give your medications 2 hours of space from any meal containing high-fat oils, avocado oil, olive oil, or butter. If you take meds in the morning, save avocado oil for lunch or dinner. If you take meds at night, use avocado oil earlier in the day. Takeaway. Avocado oil is healthy, but treat it like a mini meal and keep it away from your medications. Mistake number 4, storing avocado oil the wrong way. This is the biggest silent danger for older adults. Avocado oil is extremely sensitive to heat, light, and oxygen. When stored the wrong way, it becomes rancid. And rancid oils produce aldehydes, chemical compounds linked to pain, inflammation, digestive upset, headaches, joint stiffness, heart strain. Unfortunately, most people leave avocado oil right next to the stove, where it gets warm every day. The fix: store in a cool, dark cabinet. Best option: refrigerate after opening. Keep bottle tightly sealed. Use within 60 days once opened. Never buy large bottles. Never buy oil in clear containers. Fresh avocado oil should smell nutty, mild, clean. If it smells like chemicals, paint, or crayons, throw it away immediately. Take away. Fresh oil heals. Rancid oil harms. Mistake number 5, using too much avocado oil in a healthy diet. This one surprises most people. Because avocado oil is healthy, many assume the more the better. But for seniors over 60, too much oil can overwhelm digestion. As we age, our gallbladder produces fewer bile salts, and bile is what breaks down fats. If your body can't process the fat, you may experience diarrhea, stomach heaviness, nausea, gallbladder discomfort, unintended weight gain. And here's the big one. Too much avocado oil can interfere with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Vitamin K is especially important for seniors on blood thinners. The fix: stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day total from all cooking oils combined. If you eat avocado fruit already, reduce the amount of avocado oil you use. Takeaway: healthy doesn't mean unlimited. Now that we've covered the mistakes, let me give you a simple, senior-friendly routine. 1. For salads, use extra virgin avocado oil with lemon or vinegar. Fresh, unheated, easy to digest. 2. For cooking, use refined avocado oil at medium heat. Never let it smoke. 3. For medication safety, keep at least 2 hours between your meds and any oily meal. 4. For storage, refrigerate after opening. Use within 2 months. 5. For portion control, 1 tablespoon at a time is perfect for most seniors. So remember this, my friends, healthy aging isn't about perfection. It's about awareness, consistency, and respecting how your body changes with time. Avocado oil can absolutely support your heart, your joints, and your brain if you use it wisely. Choose the right type, use it at the right temperature, store it properly, time it around your medications, and keep your portions simple. This is how you make healthy fats work for you, not against you. If today's video helped you avoid even one hidden mistake, do me a small favor. Tap that like button, share this video with someone you care about, especially a friend who loves their avocado oil, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss another science-based tip made just for seniors. And in the next episode, we're diving into a big one: 6 dangerous olive oil mistakes that most older adults make without ever realizing it. You think avocado oil is tricky? Just wait. You'll be genuinely surprised at what people get wrong every single day. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep nourishing your strongest, brightest years ahead.